Welcome to Lyra Tech, your go-to channel for the latest product breakdowns. Today, we're looking at the Midea 6000 BTU U-shaped smart inverter window air conditioner. This innovative unit promises ultra-quiet cooling, significant energy savings, and smart features, all in a unique design. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core performance and clever design of the Midea U Smart. This 6000 BTU Midea U Smart AC effectively cools rooms up to 250 square feet, making it a strong choice. One of its standout features is the ultra-quiet operation, running as low as 32 dBA, which is a big improvement. This air conditioner also boasts impressive energy efficiency, delivering over 37% energy savings compared to traditional models and holding. The innovative U-shaped design truly sets it apart, allowing you to open your window while the unit is installed, bringing. Overall, the Midea U Smart AC redefines what a window unit can be, combining powerful, quiet. Now we'll examine the smart features and overall practical usability of this Midea Air. For modern convenience, the Midea U AC offers robust smart control features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Alexa. Installation appears straightforward with a quick snap bracket system, though you'll need a single or double-hung window within the specified width. At $349.99, this air conditioner presents a strong ownership value, especially considering its advanced inverter technology, smart features, and energy. The product details provide a clear picture of its capabilities, offering good information on BTU, coverage area, and critical dimensions. The Midea U Smart AC offers compelling smart features and solid value, though specific window compatibility. The Midea U Smart Inverter Window AC stands out with its incredibly quiet operation and impressive energy efficiency. Its unique U-shaped design is a real game changer, allowing you to enjoy fresh air without removing the unit.